Hi there! After having a look at my stats recently, I noticed more and more viewers from outside Germany are following my channel and watching my videos. And I don't think the YouTube subtitle system is that good, so I decided to do some videos in English just for you to help you cover and improve your model railway as you like to, with no expense of money. So be prepared to have more videos coming in English just for you, for my international followers. Thank you very much for watching this video, and over to the titles. In this video I like to show you how you can restore some old buildings to use it on your layout. I for myself have this little switching tower I bought for myself when I was a child, nearly 8 years old I think. It was my first model. After that I bought a train station, and I wonder nowadays how I can improve this building and fix some little flaws in it to put it on my layout as a real switching tower in the railway interlocking. I own 2 of these buildings. One was given to me by a good friend as a gift, so I have still a model I can refer to. As you can see, I didn't build my model very well due to my poor capabilities as a child then. Comparing the 2 models, one will easily notice the hands on the clockworks show different times and they have been cut out different from the paper sheet. So at first I tried cautiously to remove the clock with a tweezer, and luckily it loosens by itself. The window panes are dirty too, so I want to have them cleaned. You can see inside the tower there are desks for switching the railway interlocking, but no personnel. And the roof is not attached properly. The lower part of the building has a paper mask for it for lighting. And I have some figurines resembling railway personnel. And I like to have this little guy standing behind one desk. On the back of the building there's a balcony where you could have another person standing. After some more looks at the model, I get a sharp knife and disassemble the building with caution along its fixations. Be sure to cut along the splices with caution. You do not want to cut into the plastic parts and have them damaged by your sharp cutter. So pay attention to cutting the splice only. I will now disassemble the model in total, but I'll skip forward now. After disassembling, I prepare the figurine for painting and remove the burr from the building parts with a nail file. For cleaning now, we need alcohol and Q-tips before reassembling the model again and painting the figurine. To glue the parts again, I use Falla Super Cement I have achieved very good results with. And with the needle tip one can control the doses of glue very easily. To have light in the building, I cut off a piece from a LED strip and solder fine Litz wire to it. Then I hide the cabling in the roof of the building. And glue the LED strip to the roof by using its own adhesive tape. To hide the cablings from view and route the wires through the building, I drill a hole inside the cabinet part of the upper floor with a small drill. To give the interior a more realistic look, I paint the different desks and chairs with acrylic color, and I also improve the balcony a little bit. some wood glue, I cover a small part under the roof where the joint didn't fit very well. When the glue is dry, I paint it black to simulate a joint with tar. Thank you for watching my video. All parts and tools I used are linked below in the video description as affiliate links where you can buy the parts and tools you need to improve your model railway. If you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button below. And if you want to get more information to improve your model railway the non-expensive way, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit also the bell button so you will be informed when I upload a new video. If you want to support me, you can hit the thanks button below and give me any amount you like, or you can use my PayPal link, or you can have a look at my Amazon wishlist. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.